Computer science is not about computers, which is annoying because the name really committed to a lie. But that sentence explains why so many people feel lost when they start learning this stuff. Because most people think computer science means coding, apps, websites, screens, a laptop that sounds like it's about to take off. And sure, coding exists, but that's not the discipline, that's the tool. Here's the real problem. If computer science were about computers, IT support would be the most powerful department on earth. It's not. Computer science is about computation, and computation is not a machine, it's an idea. It's the question of whether a problem can be solved at all. And if it can, how much time will it take? How much memory it consumes? And how badly it behaves when scale shows up uninvited. Because scale always shows up uninvited. Sorting 10 numbers? No one cares. Your brain can do that while thinking about lunch. Sorting 10 million numbers? Now the problem becomes political. Suddenly, you're negotiating with time, memory, and reality itself. Same task, different universe. That difference is computer science. Think of it like designing a city. Anyone can build a road. But when million people start using it, traffic appears. Not because the road is bad, but because reality has rules. Computer science is the study of those rules. It asks questions like, what happens when everyone shows up at once? What breaks first? And which failure is the least expensive? And here's where people get surprised. The computer does exactly what you tell it to do. Every time. It doesn't care if your idea is elegant. It doesn't care if your logic feels correct. It cares if the instructions end. And sometimes they don't. That's not a bug, that's a limit. Some problems grow slowly as input grows. Others explode. Not emotionally, but mathematically. You don't notice at first. Everything works fine. Tests pass. Demo looks clean. Then data increases by a factor of 10. And your system falls over like it was made of paper. And that's when people say, it worked before. Yes, it did. Before scale arrived. Computer science exists so you don't learn this lesson in production. It gives you mental tools to predict failure before users find it. To know when checking everything is impossible. To know why brute force stops working. To understand why some shortcuts are illegal, not just inefficient. This is why computer science isn't the same as programming. Programming teaches you how to talk to a computer. Computer science teaches you what's worth saying and what will bankrupt you if you say it the wrong way. And once you see that, coding stops feeling magical and starts feeling intentional. So, no, computer science isn't about computers, it's about decisions under constraints. And the reason it feels hard is because the reality is doing most of the fighting. If this made sense, but you also feel like there is more under the surface, good. That means you're learning the right thing. Like, share, and subscribe. And share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.